In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in Google Docs. If you're trying to create a duplicate of your work in Google Docs, the easiest method is to make a copy of the document. This is especially helpful when you want to preserve the original version before making edits, create a template for reuse, or simply work on a second version without changing the first one. To begin, go to your Google Doc, open the document you want to duplicate, and make sure it has fully loaded in your browser. Once you're inside the document, take a quick moment to confirm that this is the correct file, since the copy you create will be based on whatever document is currently open. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This will open the main File menu, where Google Docs gives you access to options related to creating, sharing, downloading, and organizing your document. If you're new to Google Docs, this menu is one of the most important places to know, because many key actions start here. From the File menu, click on Make a Copy. When you select this option, Google Docs will create a duplicate version of the entire document. That means all of the existing content, formatting, layout, and structure will be copied into a new file. In other words, while Google Docs doesn't offer a direct one-click duplicate page feature for a single page, making a copy is the standard way to duplicate the document, so you can reuse or edit it separately. After choosing Make a Copy, Google Docs may prompt you to name the new file and choose where to save it in Google Drive. It's a good idea to give the copied document a clear name so you can easily tell it apart from the original later. This can save time and help keep your files organized, especially if you create multiple versions of the same document. Once the copy is created, you can open it and make any changes you want without affecting the original document. That's the main benefit of this method. You get a safe duplicate to work with while keeping your first version untouched. And that's all there is to it. Open your Google Doc, click File, and then choose Make a Copy to duplicate it quickly and easily.